Hello friends, my name is Mahdi. Welcome to this video, and in this session I want to talk about the opacity tag. Be with me. We can use this tag to make the elements on the web page brighter. In many sites, this tag is used as the site beauty. Well, let's go for important examples. First, I write the div tag in the body tag. Okay, I write this tag for you: div opening and closing. Okay, and I want change its background color. To do this, I write style tag in head tag. Okay, style opening and closing with a slash. Okay, I write my tag name, that's div opening and closing. Okay, background dash color. Okay, for example red, and I change its size, for example width equal to the 200 px and height 200 px too. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, this is my div tag. Okay, in this example I use the hover feature. I made a video about this feature and you can watch it. Okay, I write this feature div two dots and hover opening and closing. Okay, and now I use the opacity tag. I write this tag for you: opacity opening and closing. As I said, this tag used to make the elements on the web page brighter, and we have to write a value here. Okay, if this value is less, the elements become more brighter, and conversely, if this value is higher, the brightness of the elements is less. Okay, for example, I insert this amount less. Okay, this, I save it, I refresh this page. Okay, now you can see that the div tag is much brighter. Okay, now you can see that's work, and I can use the transition tag. I teach this tag before session. Okay, and I write this tag again, transition 1s. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work, and now I enter this amount more. Okay, this, and I delete it. Okay, and now you see that the div tag is less lit. Okay, Now I use this tag for button. Okay, I made a video about how to create a button on the web page, and you can watch it. Okay, button, opening and closing. Okay, and I write a text in here. Sorry, click here. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work. This is my button. I write this tag, button, two dots, hover, opening and closing. I write the opacity tag, and for example this, and I use the transition tag. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work and it's very beautiful. Okay, and I can use this tag for image. Okay, I write the img tag. I made a video about this tag and you can watch it. Okay, src. Okay, and slash for close this tag, and I write this tag in here, img two dots hover, opening and closing, opacity. Okay, and I use the transition tag. Okay, and I want to change its size. For example, width equal to the 200 px. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work, and this tag is very useful. Okay, this session is over. Thanks for watching. You can support me by subscribe button, and goodbye.